Video I will show you how to convert comma to decimal point and dot to comma in Excel. It means you want to replace the comma into dot and dot into comma. So how did you do that? So go to the file and click on options. Then Excel options will be open. Go to the advanced and here you can see that use system separators. Uncheck that and here you need to replace dot into comma. You need to remove that and put the comma. And thousand separator you need to replace it with dot and click OK. And here now you can see that the dot has been replaced to the comma and comma replaced to the dot. So now if you want to revert back to the default setting, what you have to do is again go to the files, click on options, go to the advanced and click on the use system separators and click OK and done. So I'm sure you have learned now that how to convert comma to decimal point and dot to comma in Excel. It's pretty simple and easy. I hope you like the video. If you think the video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.